New professional logo pack, PSD, AI and EPS parties are protected. Password in this app. By now for lifetime all password in this app, and here is my Facebook page. Join new thing SK Shopping Hub. I will provide daily 100 plus posts on this store with different categories: graphic designing resource, premium unlimited mega bundle, original or international documents, video templates for After Effects and Adobe Premiere, Windows softwares, and here WordPress theme plugins and PHP, Android games, QR codes, chat with GPT. That's me chat with AI. Okay, here is 31 folder. First, two format AI and APS. You can edit in the Adobe Illustrator. Next, same thing for Illustrator, same thing. And here PSD, APS and PSD. You can edit everything. Amazing. You can change in Adobe Illustrator because these are AI and EPS file. Here classic motocross champion. Oh, now same thing. Crocodile main files are here. Okay, and here is dragon fire. Gaming team. Elephant, head of elephant. Knight. So you can edit in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop files. Okay, and for password, download this app. For more premium data, subscribe this SK Shopping Hub. First you need subscription for downloading. Take care. Allah Hafiz.